I'm the Chief Science Officer of Cure Science, and my main focus here is to develop personalized treatment strategies for each individual patient. What makes Cure Science approach unique is that we are focusing on individual patients and specific treatment for each individual patient, as opposed to general treatment like the standard of care that is identical for all patients. And separately, in addition to that, we are trying to understand the differences between patients' healthy DNA and the cancer DNA that is coming from patient biopsy, and really compare these two, align them, and understand what are the changes and what are the specific mutations or specific differences between the healthy DNA and the cancer DNA, and design specific strategies using drugs that will work for a particular patient. In two main ways. The first one is we analyze patients' DNA and try to understand the biology of the tumor, and also to predict which drugs will work better for a specific patient. And the second approach is to understand the mutations that are actually the targets for our specific drugs, and design vaccine, which is therapeutic vaccine for a particular patient. And the way this works is we identify small pieces of proteins that are specific for the tumor, called peptides. And these peptides, the sequence of these peptides is then provided to the treating physician of the patient, who treats the patients with this specific vaccine. By several blood draws that are very small amount of blood samples that we take from the patients before treatment with the vaccine, and at different time points after treatment with the vaccine, we can see how the immune response against the tumor is activated, and which specific peptides or small pieces of protein are the most effective for a particular patient. The value of Cure Science as a non-profit institution is really to help all patients that are in need of a specific treatment for their tumor. And so we are focusing on multiple new techniques that are both analyzing of the DNA, designing specific peptide vaccines, as I mentioned, and also monitoring the immune response against that is generated because of these vaccines. So again, my passion is really to cure cancer, and that is very simple. It is very difficult at this time, but the advances in oncology and immunology and other areas in the field are significant in the last few years, and now especially with the help of AI, artificial intelligence, to analyze this enormous amount of data that is derived from each patient DNA and RNA sequencing. Now we can move much faster as compared to before, and the AI is really powerful tool in our approach to design better treatments for individual patients.